Hey everyone, this is going to be a video to help you with your second type of problem on the assignment graphing linear equations. Now on these problems, what you're going to have to do is graph an equation graph a line from an equation. The equation I'm going to graph first is y is equal to 3/2 x minus 1. Now to graph an equation, what I'm going to do is first plot the y-intercept. In this case, my y-intercept, or b, is -1. So I'm going to put a dot down there at -1, like that. And then I'm going to use my slope, which is +3/2, to find another point. So I start at my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 3, because my slope is rise divided by run. I'm going to go up 3, and I'm going to go over 2 to the right. And I always go to the right to find that second point. Now that problem right there, or this graph right there, has a positive slope, and my slope is up 3 and over 2, so I have the slope correct, and my y-intercept is -1. So let's see if I have that one correct. I submit it, and if it turns green, I did that correct. Now, if it turned red, what you would do is you'd come back over here and you'd reattempt the question. But in this case, I don't have to do that because I got the problem correct. I'm going to skip to number 9 because that had a little bit different problem than we're used to, or a different one than the one before. Now in this problem, my equation is y is equal to 2x minus 1. Again, I'm going to graph the y-intercept first, which in this case is -1. So I'm going to put a point on the y-axis of -1, and then I'm going to use a slope of +2. That means I'm going to go up 2 and over 1, and I'm going to put another point down right there. So let's see if I did that correctly. My slope is up 2 and over 1, and 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, and my y-intercept is -1. So I think I've done that one correctly. Let's check it out and see. I hit submit, and it turned green, so I did that problem correctly also. So those are the different types of problems that you're going to have on this assignment. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me or get a hold of me somehow. I'm going to try and have some Google Hangouts or something like that so where you can chat if you have any questions also. Hope that helped. Let me know.